take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a fruit cocktail cake. And this is one of, it's a vintage recipe that we used to enjoy, that Calvin's grandmother used to make, and also one of our subscribers named Kimberly requested that we make this. So this is for you today, Kimberly. So let me get started on this vintage recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is add in my sugar, and this recipe will be in the description below. And then I'm going to add in my sifted flour. This is all-purpose. And my soda, baking soda. And my salt. I'm going to give this a good stir. Okay. Now then I'm going to put in 2 eggs. And some vanilla flavoring. Okay, I'm going to give this a good stir. And now I'm going to add what makes this cake good, the fruit cocktail. And this is in heavy syrup, and you'll need to use the kind that is in heavy syrup. Okay. Let me get all that goodness out of here. Mix all this together. I got that all mixed up now, so I'm going to put it in my spray pan. This is a 9 by 13, and I sprayed it with a Baker's Joy spray. So I'm just going to put my batter in here. this wind up being a pretty thick batter. Okay, set that to the side and even this out. Okay.
Marie, that's looking good. I think my grandma will be proud of you this morning.
Yeah. This will probably make a good little Easter cake too, without staying in the kitchen all day. But I gotta have me some coconut cake at Easter.
Well, you do make a good coconut cake.
Yeah.
I like that coconut icebox cake you made a couple of months ago.
There's
Really
several.
good.
Yeah, there's several different ways I do make my coconut cakes. I like to change it up a bit. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees and let it cook for about 40 minutes, but I will be checking it to make sure that my oven is behaving itself. Okay, so let me get my pan in the oven. Okay, now I'm going to make my icing for my fruit cocktail cake. I'm going to put in a stick of butter. I'm going to put in my brown sugar. And this, like I said, this recipe will be in the description below. Put in my white sugar, and this is carnation milk I'm putting in, or otherwise known as evaporated milk. Okay, I'm going to put in my I said peanuts, but I mean pecans, or pecans, but I say pecans. My coconut. I'm going to mix this all together. And when this gets all melted and comes up to a simmer, I'm going to cook it for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to pour it on my cake. All right, my icing has come to a boil, so I'm going to let it cook for 2 minutes, continuously stirring it. Okay, my icing has been cooking for 2 minutes. Okay, my cake is done and my icing is also, so I'm going to pour it on my cake. I'm going to stir this one more time before I pour it. Okay, let's take it and spread it all out here. Almost looks like a German chocolate cake on top. Okay, I have my cake icing spread on my cake, and so I'm going to let this cool before I take the taste test. And I hope everybody is doing good today. I'm having just a tad problem breathing with all this allergy stuff going around. But anyway, maybe I'll feel better after I eat a piece of this cake. So I'll be back in a little while. Hello again. I'm back and my cake has been cooling for about 2 hours. So now I'm going to do the taste test. And the recipe said that this cake would take about 40 minutes to cook, but mine, it only took 30 minutes at 325 degrees. So let me do the taste test. Okay. That is really delicious.
I'm waiting on my piece, Marie.
Well, when you get it, you'll really enjoy it.
That cake looks good.
Yeah, it sort of looks like my tornado cake that I made. And the icing is very similar.
It is. But the
It's really
cake
good.
itself looks better. I can't
Yeah.
wait to get a piece.
Well, you're going to really enjoy it. So I hope everyone will enjoy this, make this delicious cake and enjoy it. I know I'm fixing to finish my piece off and enjoy it.
Show us how you're going to serve it, Marie.
Okay, I'm going to, whoops, and put a cherry on top.
That looks nice, Marie. I can't wait to get my piece in just a few minutes.
Well, this will be a good little cake that you can make for Easter, but like I said, I'll probably make me a coconut cake, but this is a quick and easy and fast little cake to make. And I'm sure everybody would enjoy it at Easter too, because it's also got coconut on it. And when I think about Easter, I think about coconut. Okay, everyone, have a great day, and y'all do what you love and love what you do. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my